Looks like a bad B movie, for crying out loud. So I said to the guy, maybe I ought to direct the scene. You know what I mean? But he wanted to do it himself, and the whole thing went to dump.
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down.
Well, I had a pizza last night.
Make it a Bud Light.
Pepperoni! Like I care.
Here in Texas, we invented barbecue. The rest of the world has just been trying to catch up with us.
We are finely seasoned athletes, and we train constantly.
What do you look for in, what is that?
I don't know.
Something that's not moving.
Now, there was some talk of spitting out at another table.
That's the wild game. What do you expect?
What we have here is the Super Bowl of meat.
Everybody barbecues in Texas.
Frogs, squirrels, a couple of armadillos.
We got bull nuts.
It's real juicy meat.
Some slow-running rabbits.
Whatever you can think of, we gonna cook.
Put it in that smoke and let it rip.
There ain't no hotter contest in the world.
This is a real firefight.
Throw your meat on there and mop it every once in a while and forget about it.
It's my job to protect and serve the barbecue.
Well, we made some excellent friends here today, and we're going to do everything we can to help them out. Now, see to it that the good, the bad, and the ugly get some fair treatment. No problem. They did well.
So what do you do if the food tastes funny?
So what do you put in your something?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
Yeah, okay. We'll win the barbecue cook-off.
First place beef.
It's a winner.
I haven't caught anything all day.
A refund. That marlin stuff.
You bet it's stuff.
Ooh, what do we have here? Bud Light!
Water buffalo.
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never lets you down, make it a Bud Light, Florida.
Oh, Bud Light!
Throw him back.